Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised, I am using the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction palette again. I am so excited. I really love the way this look turned out. I'm so impressed with the rose gold in here. It's insane. It's like beautiful glitter. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. I am happy that I was able to film a second look for you guys and that it was back to back, like consistent, 2 days in a row. Yes. This one will definitely be up sometime next week. So today is Sunday the 21st, and I'm sure that this is going to go up next week. I don't know when, but next week. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below letting me know if there's anything else that you guys would like me to film with this amazing palette, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.